Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to give a tutorial on how to install and use the Polkadex Mobile App. In my previous video, I talked about the Polkadex Order Book version 1.4 and I already show you how to get the test token, how to use the order book. Now this video, I'm going to show you how to use a mobile app. So in order to use that, depends on what kind of device you have, iOS or Android, you can download. So right now I'm using Android, so I download the APK. So go to the link and then you can download this APK. You may need to have a GitHub link in order to download this one. Once you download, you can send it to your phone. So of course you can directly download from your Android phone. And here is a file on my phone, and I'm going to open the APK file. It's going to install the Polkadex testnet, and it's done now, and now you can open that. So once you open that, you have two options: create a new account or log in the existing one. So since I already registered, if you don't know how to register, check my previous video. I talked about the Polkadex order book. Now I log in and I can connect a trading account. So I do have the trading account and I have the seed word. So just put the seed word and then put a name. So I will put the name for the trading account. Now I'm going to open that. Now you can see the balance. It's going to be the same as I demoed in the previous video. So I have some balance for the test token, and then now you can check the market, and it has a Polkadex with whatever like FAU test token. You can select that, and then this is similar to the order book actually, but it's on your mobile phone. So you can put whatever price you want to have and the amount of PDEX you want to have. There's also a bar like you can drag the percentage, and then like you can make the order, and there will be the open orders. You can see that order history, also the trade history, everything like is showing up here. So sell is similar, like you can sell, put the price and the amount, you can sell the PDEX, and then like you can check the home markets trade accounts. And so now I'm going to just quickly show you what you can see. So this is finally your account, and you can see the balance. And so basically I just go over the Polkadex mobile app and just show you how to use it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.